Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings, options, and features for the Roborock. This is the Q5 Max Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's jump right in. We have the Roborock app right here. We're going to enter into our Q5, and that takes us to the main overview where we can view our map right here and see a previous clean that we had. So the quickest way to get to our map options is going to be the map editing icon on the right-hand center side of the screen. We can select that and we can edit our map right here. So we can choose map 1 or 2. We can also manage maps to get to all of our map settings and rename. We can backup, restore, delete. We can set no-go zones. We can edit the room. We can edit furniture, and we can edit the surface. We also have map details, 2D or 3D viewing. So pick and choose which one you want. So that's how we can get there. We can also hit the settings gear, or excuse me, the 3 dots for the settings in the top right-hand corner. And we can go down to the manage maps option. Map savings on, home layout, we have multi-level mapping, smart recognition or manual selection. So you can choose right there which one you want. And then here's our map. So same thing, edit map or restore. Let's go to our map right here and I'll show you more of the features in detail. First, we got no-go zones. We can add invisible walls. We can also add invisible or no-go zones, I should say. So just drag and drop. You can position multiples of each. Just build it out depending on your environment and where you don't want this vacuum to go. Then we have our edit room option here. So we can merge, divide, and rename our room. So in this case, let me just select a room and we'll select divide. And right there is exactly where I want it to be divided. And now we'll update the map and we have a new room created just like that. If for some reason you wanted to merge those together, well then just go ahead and you can hit the merge and select your rooms. So that's how you do all that right there in the edit room section. Next we have edit furniture. If you want to add furniture and build out your map this way, look at all the options you have to choose from. I personally don't, but again, to each their own. But you can drag and drop and add your furniture there. And we can also edit the surface. So you can change the floor type here. You have multiple options, vertical and horizontal, which is key. And you can add thresholds, which is cool. So door threshold or door steps or custom. All that could be built out right there. Back to our main screen here, I want to go over a couple more features that I include with mapping because it relates to the map itself. The first one is room cleaning. So down at the bottom, we have those 3 tabs, full, room, and zone. We can pick and choose different rooms to clean. We can also pick and choose different zones. So drag and drop, you can add up to 5 different zones and choose to clean them 1 to 3 times. And then down at the bottom, we have this customize option here. We can choose general, or there's another customize right here. We can select that. That allows us now to clean each room based on cleaning mode settings. So we'll go ahead, we'll select edit. And now we can choose for each room on our map, different suction power settings. We have 5 options and different route cleaning standards. Basically the standard or the fast version right there. And you can do that for each room and really build out your map with custom cleans. So that's a look at the mapping options, features, and settings for the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. A lot of customization and control right at your fingertips.